Hello guys, welcome to LSNIS Technology. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So here I came with a new topic. It's called types of SAP projects. So let's start and we'll see what are the SAP projects we have, what are the projects is implementing or projects is going to happen in SAP projects. Okay, so see why I came with these topics. This nowadays interviewers are asking to freshers, and this video will useful for freshers also and beginners also. Whoever is want to start career in SAP, so for them also this video is will help. So interviewer nowadays is asking to freshers when they are interviewing to candidates, they're asking, tell me the types of projects we have in SAP. So let's go. We'll discuss about one by one. What are the types we have in SAP? Firstly, we have implementation project. Second one is support project. Third one is rollout project. Fourth one is upgradation project. And fifth one is enhancement or development project. We can say also development project. To enhancement project, we can also say that development project. So let's discuss one by one. Try to understand one by one. Okay, let's go. First one is implementation project. What is meant by implementation? The word itself is saying that yes, this is implementation. Means a company wants to implement SAP software to managing their business, manage their business records, business transaction, etc. So there is various module. We know that some functional module is there, some technical modules is there. If I talk about functional module, what functional module we have? Like FI, means finance, CO, controlling, MM, SD, HCM, PP, QM, PM, PS. So these are the functional modules we have in SAP software. So in implementation, company wants to implement the SAP for the first time. Now business is using any other software. Maybe it is ERP or maybe it is not any ERP also. But now company, my business had made a decision that I will use SAP for my business. Okay. Why were SAP using SAP? What are the benefits of it? Okay. That you will get in our previous video. Okay, so there are several modules we have, that is eco module, MM module, SD module, and in this module, if we are implementing SAP for a business, so there may be some consultants who are responsible for configuration, integration of several modules with each other, data migration from legacy data to SAP system, integration of third-party software to SAP through RFC, remote function call. So these are the some functionality we are providing when we are implementing SAP. In implementation project, we are giving training to users also for the standard methodology suggested by SAP that we are proposing to our clients, to that business. There is an implementation project. We have different type of implementation. Mainly there is two type of implementation. One is greenfield implementation. Another one is brownfield implementation. So let's discuss what is greenfield implementation and what is brownfield implementation. See, greenfield implementation means a company is starting implementing SAP software from zero. There is no SAP software existence or no old software of SAP. There is no existence of SAP environment. So there is no existence of SAP system in business. That's why business want to implement the SAP. What is brownfield implementation? Brownfield implementation means business is already implemented or already using SAP software, but they want to enhance the software. They want to upgrade their software into newer version. So that type of implementation project is called brownfield implementation. So while you are implementing or while IT team is implementing the SAP software for business, there is some methodology. There is some method. SAP proposed some methods like SF methodology, accelerated SF methodology, and some agile methodology also. So just let's discuss SF methodology. Here I will not completely explain all the edges. Like briefly, I'll not explain. Yes, but I'll give some idea so that we'll familiarize you with SAP. What are the projects? So first one is project preparation. Second one is business blueprint. Third one is realization. Fourth, final preparation. Fifth is go live and support. So let's discuss one by one. See, project preparation. What is meant by project preparation? Before implementing SAP software, we have to finalize how many members we need to implement a project. There will be some project manager, then lead from each module. Okay, right. SAP lead from each module. Then some senior consultant will be there, some junior consultant will be there who will implement the software as per their business requirement. In kickoff meeting, they are finalizing with core team member. Core team member means those members who are involving from business point of view, from business side, or we can say the client side. So in kickoff meeting, they are finalizing. Yes, from business teams, these are the people who are responsible for their module. And from IT team, these are the person who are responsible for their module. And they're mentioning what is the scope of this project, how much time it will take to implement the whole project. Okay. So these are the some points which needs to be discussed in kickoff meeting. And that kickoff meeting is happening in project preparation phase. Right. So we are just preparing the team so that we'll successfully implement the SAP software for that business of the for that company. Okay, so second one is business blueprint. What is business blueprint? So before going to do anything, we have to plan something, right? Without any planning, without any decision making, we will not perform or we will not achieve what are our goals. That's why we are planning something. Likewise, in SAP also, in SAP methodology, we have one page that is called business blueprint. So in business blueprint, we are mentioning what are the ages process and what will be the to be process. We are mentioning what are the business process we have. Okay. So according to the business process, we will implement those things in our SAP software. So in real time, IT team will prepare the business blueprint document. After confirm of business core team member will start to implement or will start to customizing or configuring those things in our SAP software. In realization phase, we'll implement those things according to the business requirement. We'll prepare the KDS key data structure and then we'll implementing the SAP software. We'll configure the SAP software. After completing the customization or what are the development we have or interface working there, we'll do the test. From our side, we'll do test means from IT team will do test. After IT team testing, we'll hand over the testing to user. We'll give training to user so that user can able to practice or familiarize with SAP software. What are the training we have? That they will perform in final preparation phase. And one major activities there in final preparation, that is cutover activities. Then what is the cutover activities? Cutover activities means we will migrate the master data and the transactional data. So whatever transactional data or whatever master data we have in legacy system, maybe that legacy system is a ERP or non-ERP also. Okay. So from there, we'll migrate the data. Whatever the master data like GL master or you can say ledger, what are the supplier code we have, what are the customers we have, what activated asset is there. So those need to migrate. Okay. Any transactional data, we need to only transfer the open transaction data, whatever open invoices or open and that are pending for payment, those you need to migrate. Or you can say open PO, open sales order. Okay. And after migrating all these things, we will hand over the live system, production system to the business so that they will start the day-to-day transaction posting in SAP Lifestyle. So these are the some ideas I have just explained ideas. In my next video, I will explain what are the phases we have. In briefly, I will explain. Okay. So this implementation project will take 6 to 24 months. It's depending upon the business. If that is a large scale business, then it will take more time. But within 1.5 year or 2 year, it is complete. So hope you understand the implementation project. Let's go to support project. What is a support project? Support means the word itself saying that something support will need to be there. So in this project, we'll support to the business so that the business can run smoothly. So after implementation of SAP module, business needs assistance of consultants in the day-to-day business operation using SAP software. See, are also human being, and there will be mistake. We are just human being. Okay, so maybe there will some mistakes will happening from the user. That's why consultant team or IT team will support to business users to post day-to-day transaction and how the users are raise their errors or raise their concerns, raise their issues to IT team through ticketing tool. What is ticketing tool? By which we have raised some issues. So some ticketing tools is there also like ServiceNow, Fastest, Remedy. So these are some ticketing tools. So here note one point. In support project, we have some service level agreement that is called within 1 hour or within 2 hours, we have to give some solution. Within 1 hour, we have to give some particular solution to particular issues. So there is some level of tickets like L1, L2, L3. L1 is easy issues. There may be some understanding issues, or there may be some user mistakes, which can be given solution within 2 hours, not more than. If it will take more than 2 hours or 3 hours, then it will consider as L2, level 2 ticket. Okay. So in level 2 ticket need more expertise than level 1. Then we need to analyze the issue. We will have to work with users what did they did and how we'll understand that issue and we'll give solution as per their requirement. And next one is L3 ticket. L3 ticket means they need more expertise than L2 ticket, right? There may be some change request is there, which need change request means we need to change the configuration as per the business requirement. This is called support project. And in support project only, we have some time period of hypercare support. Those 2 or 3 months after implementing, 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, as for the deal, the IT team will give the hypercare support to the business. Okay, there may be some user mistakes will happen because they are not familiarized till now, might be not familiarized. We need to support to run their business smoothly. Okay, so this is called hypercare support. So these are called some support project. So next project is our rollout project. What is means by rollout project? Rollout project, you can also say that is expansion project. Expansion project, the company or business expanding their business to another country or another branches. They open another branches. There we need rollout project. And according, see, rollout project is not much different than implementation. Whatever we have implemented for first time, that only need to implement in newly created plant or newly created company code. There may be some difference. What are the difference? There may be some localization. There may be some changes related to taxation. Like we have in India, we have GST, right? In India, we have GST in taxation, TDS, TCS, CES we had, but nowadays there is no sale. But in if you compare to US, there is no GST, no TDS, right? There is VAT. So according to the taxation process, we have to implement, right? There may be some newly created vendor will be there, newly created employee will be there. According to the income tax or country specific any localization or some allowances, according to them, we have to configure these things. And this rollout project will help us to integrating the business data within one software. So that rollout project will be helpful for the reporting. If we are want to see any consolidated reporting, then we can see as we have already done the rollout project. So next project is SAP upgradation project. What is mean by upgradation? Upgradation means we want or business want to upgrade the software. Like we are using mobile phone, right? In Android phone, we are using some older version, but that are not comfortable for us. We want some new updates from the newly version. So for that, what we need to do? We need to update our mobile, right? In the same way, SAP project also need to upgrade. SAP upgrade means upgrading the software with a latest version which has got more advantages. Maybe performance improvement will be there, security reason will be there, activity will be there, and that will help to business to in a comfortable way. If any bug is there in my older version, that will rectify in my newly updated SAP software. So due to that only, business want to do upgradation, upgrade the SAP. Okay, so this is the upgradation project. So next one is enhancement project. Enhancement project, or you can say this is development project. Okay, enhancement project, or you can say development project. What is typical? What is main it is like support only, but little with new enhancement to the existing functionality and with some new developments like new field addition, new process addition, which is not in standard SAP. Okay, so if business want to do any reporting, but that reports are not available due to one field, and that field is not available in SAP during transaction posting or anything. That field is not there in SAP. So that field we need to develop, we need to create in our standard SAP or any screen enhancement or any process changes. So for that, we need to enhance the system. We need to develop the system. And for the develop the system, we have to use some technical word. Technical word like body, BAPI, user exit, customer exit. So these are some technical, these are quite technical word. Okay, we have to use this. And after implementing this, we'll do the testing. We have to do the thorough testing because we're not following standard, or we are following standard, but in standard system only we have done some enhancement. So for that, we have to test one by one the SAP functionality, one by one the T code, so that we can ensure that whatever enhancement we have done, that will not affect to any other process. For which purpose I have done that enhancement, for that purpose only it is working. It is not affecting to any other T code or any other scheme. If we not do the enhancement properly, then it will affect to other process also, other T code also. So carefully we are handling this enhancement project, and after that we'll do the thorough testing so that we can ensure, yes, our enhancement is doing prop is working properly. Okay, so these are the projects we have in SAP, and for more details about LSNIS technology, you can go to our website. That website will ping in our description. And for more information, you can ping or DM us to this WhatsApp number and this mail also. Okay. So if you like this video, my content, so please subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment if any suggestions is there. Then, chalo, bye.